Hey guys, Sam from OG here. Today we're going to talk about our all-new risers, accessories, and gauge mount. Starting off with our all-new single and dual gauge bezels made out of full billet. We're going to have these available in all colors, including the all-new orange anodizing and chrome finish. These will fit all the FXLRS, new M8 Softail with round gauges, Dyna's FXR XL, and the older 13 and down baggers. These will come in two ways. You're going to be able to mount them in the front and in the back. They come with OEM seals that we provide and carbon fiber backing. So check these out. We also have the all-new Power Vision mount that you're going to be able to mount also in the front or in the back of our risers, available in all color as well. We'll have the quad lock mount that we're going to see on the bike a little bit later on during this video, and bunch of stuff for the riser. Okay, you're going to be able to achieve pretty much whatever you want in terms of color mix and also placement. By placement, I'm going to give you a better idea. So we're going to be releasing 3 lengths of arms like this. So you're going to be able to play around either in the front or in the back using the proper length of arms that you want, and in order to place the instrument wherever you want, right? So infinite possibilities with those risers, guys. You're going to be also able to mount dual accessories. So we'll be selling a dual accessories mount to enable you to be able to mount something in the front and in the back. So from the factory, every kit will come with a single accessories bracket for risers. You will be able to buy the dual accessories bracket separately to be able to mount something like this, right? And then finally, we're working also to be releasing the front for the 15 and plus road light bezel. You'll be able now to mount it in the front of your risers. Alright guys, we're here on the 07 Dyna just to show you what we can achieve with our riser setup and instrument. So here we have a dual gauge bezel in black with the carbon fiber backing with the 8.5 pullback risers, the gauge in the back, and we've got the black Power Vision mount in the front with a 2-inch arm. So it gives you a little bit more clearance to have it a bit more down low. So it's a really good example of what you can achieve in terms of dual accessories on that kind of bike. We also have the carbon fiber war cover on those risers. This setup is premium. We're here on a new Softail standard model. It's got our 6.5 pullback riser setup with the digital cutout clamp. I just wanted to show you our new quad lock mount here to mount your cell phone on the riser, which will be available on our website shortly. So this one, it has the center mount that we'll be offering with some extension arm to be able to place it wherever you want, but mount it differently, because the digital cutout clamp doesn't allow you to mount the accessories underneath the top clamp. So you're gonna have to get that brace here. And it just shows that you can still have even more option with our risers. So definitely a unique setup right here. So that's it, check it out. A whole bunch of new product come in this riding season. And if you have any questions, you need more infos on the setup you need for your bike, give us a call and we'll be glad to help you guys out. All right, cheers.